Hi everyone, I'm Chris, the social media coordinator at Smart University. Recently, we have been hosting Smart Culinary Live on our Facebook page, but we have come to find out that it has been tricky to get notifications for some of our participants, or they may not be able to get them at all. So I'm here today to walk you through what needs to be set up so you know when we go live, post photos, new tutorials, recipes, and helpful articles. Let's dive into the basics. So I have my Facebook up now. I haven't logged in. We're going to do that together. I really wanted to show you right from the step one of the process. If you are working from a mobile device and using the app, where things will look a little different, but what you need to check for your settings and page to get notifications will be similar enough. There's some videos and articles on the Smart University page now that show a walkthrough for mobile devices. But for now, I'm going to work from a laptop and the website-based Facebook platform. All right, so we're just going to start off with some general settings. Click the triangle and go to Settings. Okay, we're in Settings. So now you're here. In the sidebar, you'll see the notifications, and we're going to go ahead and click on that. Here's a long list of how you'll get notified when Facebook notifies you, reasons they will notify you, and more. We're going to check pages you follow. Now in this section, we definitely want Allow Notifications on Facebook on. Push notifications are for all you mobile device users. Email is if you want email notifications, and SMS is a text message notification. I recommend, of course, allow notifications, and then at the very least, push notifications. If you'd like an email or text, feel free to set this up however you want. Before we leave this page, we actually have to check one more spot. Let's go to the video section. We will check for the same settings, making sure Allow Notifications from Facebook is on, and then picking your preferred preferences on how you receive notifications. Again, you want at least push notifications to be on. So I'm just going to navigate on back onto home by clicking there and going to the main page. Since I'm admin for the Smart University Facebook page, I have a shortcut on the sidebar, but we're not going to use that so you get the full navigating experience. There are two ways to get to the Smart University page once you are logged in: the sidebar and the search bar. For the sidebar, you will click on Pages. Once you like a page, it will show up here. If you haven't, then you need to search. We're going to pretend you haven't liked the Smart University page, so we're going to do a search. The top page will show up. For me, it is the one I already like, which is the Smart University page we want. You'll be looking for our logo as the thumbnail profile picture to know you have the right one. Easy enough. You'll see a like option right here, but we need to go a little further for notifications. So we're actually going to go ahead and click on the page. So now we're on the page, and I'm actually going to change it to View as Page Visitor, since right now it has me as admin, and I want to see it exactly as you do. We're almost to the end. In the bar at the top, you're going to see Like and Follow. We need both of these for notifications. For following, there are two subcategories: how Smart University will show up in your newsfeed, and finally, notifications. We're going to go ahead and actually click on that little pencil to see the full options that you have for editing your options for notifications. All right, so here we have newsfeed. And if you want us to be highlighted posts, then click favorites. Our post will be put as top priority on your home page. Default will show up along with other posts from your Facebook friends. So just in the hierarchy of whoever posts first, basically. And either is perfectly fine. For notifications, highlight is fine. Facebook will send a notification for posts that it deems as a priority post on Smart University's page. And a live video is usually in this category. But if you want to make sure you get all our notifications, especially when we go live, select Standard. I'm personally going to keep it as highlights since I know about many of the posts and streams that happen on this page already as an admin. Once you like the page and your notification preferences, you'll click Done and you're all set. Okay, so we've liked the page, we've set up our notification options, now what? When you get a notification from us, now you're going to see a red dot with a number on this little bell icon in the corner, up in the right hand. You'll click on the post or video you want to view right from this list. You're going to see new notifications at the top and then some past ones up to a certain amount. Facebook Live videos will show up with a little play movie icon, usually it's purple, and it will say, "This page has gone live." When you click on it, you'll go right to the video and be able to see us in action. Once you're on the live stream video, you'll be able to like, comment, share, and react while the stream is on. If you can't join us live, that's no problem. Live videos stay on the page to view later. You'll be able to leave comments, like, and also put a little heart or anything like that, as well as still share the video, tag your friends, anything like that. Okay, so once I was in editing for this video, I realized that Facebook actually changed its platform. So here is the new platform. You'll still go to the same thing for settings, but it just looks a little different. So you see here on the right-hand side, you still have pages, easy to navigate to, your search bar, the home button just to navigate back. You still have the bell for the notifications in the right-hand side, and then the little triangle just to get you down to settings. Here, it's easier to see. It'll say settings and privacy, and that's where we'll navigate to in order to get to where we needed to go for notifications. You click there, then you click settings again, and it looks super similar to what we were looking at before for our notifications, which is still on the left-hand side. So you head on over to there, and it looks exactly the same. You're just going to click a little different on the new Facebook platform. You still have videos, make sure notifications are on, and pages you like, make sure notifications are on. That's all. Just wanted to give you that update that the platform for the website might look a little different, but you're still going to be heading to the same areas to check for those settings to make sure you can still know when we go live. All right, that's everything you need to know about your settings and notifications to know when we go live. We hope to see you soon.